Fluconazole, Diflucan. Uses, benefits and how it works. Fluconazole, commonly known by the brand name Diflucan, is a trusted azole antifungal medication used to treat a wide range of fungal infections caused by Candida. It's widely prescribed for vaginal yeast infections, oral thrush, and more severe conditions such as cryptococcal meningitis, a serious fungal infection of the brain. Fluconazole is available as both an oral tablet and a liquid suspension. For vaginal yeast infections, it's usually taken as a single oral dose. For other infections such as those affecting the mouth, throat, or bloodstream, it's typically taken once daily as prescribed by your healthcare provider. Common uses of fluconazole, Diflucan. Healthcare professionals prescribe fluconazole to treat and prevent a variety of fungal infections including vaginal yeast infections caused by Candida, oral and esophageal thrush, infections of the mouth, throat, or esophagus, bloodstream infections, urinary tract infections UTIs, caused by fungi, peritonitis, an infection of the lining of the stomach, pneumonia due to fungal overgrowth, cryptococcal meningitis, a fungal infection that affects the brain and spinal cord, prevention of fungal infections in people undergoing bone marrow transplants. How fluconazole, Diflucan, works. Fluconazole, Diflucan, works by blocking the fungus's ability to produce ergosterol, a key component of its protective cell membrane. Without ergosterol, the fungal cells lose their structure, stop growing, and eventually die. This action helps eliminate the infection and prevent it from spreading. Possible side effects and precautions. Fluconazole, Diflucan, is generally well tolerated, but some people may experience mild side effects such as headache, nausea, or stomach discomfort. In rare cases, fluconazole may affect liver function, so alcohol should be avoided during treatment to reduce the risk of liver problems. Always follow your healthcare provider's guidance and inform them of any unusual symptoms. Dosage forms and cost information. The average cost for 2 tablets of fluconazole 150 mg is approximately $11.42 with a GoodRx coupon, offering about 38% savings from the average retail price of $18.51. For the oral suspension form, pricing varies by strength. 35 ml of 10 mg per milliliter, around $21.12 per bottle. 35 ml of 40 mg per milliliter, around $30.56 per bottle. These prices may vary depending on location and pharmacy discounts. Typical dosing for fluconazole, Diflucan, in adults. The exact dose and duration of fluconazole treatment depend on the specific fungal infection and how severe it is. Your healthcare provider will determine the most appropriate regimen for you. Vaginal yeast infection. 150 mg by mouth as a single dose. Mouth, throat, or esophagus infections. Oral thrush or esophagitis 200 mg on the first day, followed by 100 mg once daily. Treatment usually lasts at least 2 weeks. Blood, lung, or systemic fungal infections. Doses up to 400 mg once daily are commonly prescribed. Your provider will guide you based on the infection site. Urinary tract infections UTIs, and peritonitis. 50 mg to 200 mg by mouth once daily. Prevention of fungal infections. 400 mg by mouth once daily, particularly in immunocompromised individuals. Cryptococcal meningitis. 400 mg by mouth on the first day, followed by 200 mg once daily. Long-term treatment lasting several months is often required. Fluconazole, Diflucan, dosing in children. Children's doses are carefully calculated by the pediatrician based on body weight, mg/kg, and the type of infection. Mouth, throat, or esophagus infections. 6 mg per kilogram on the first day, followed by 3 mg per kilogram once daily for at least 2 weeks. Systemic fungal infections. 25 mg per kilogram on the first day, then 9 to 12 mg/kg once daily. Cryptococcal meningitis. 12 mg per kilogram on the first day, then 6 mg per kilogram daily. Treatment usually continues for several months under medical supervision. Special considerations. Individuals with kidney problems may require adjusted doses, as fluconazole is primarily cleared by the kidneys. For patients unable to take medication by mouth, fluconazole, Diflucan, can also be administered intravenously by a healthcare professional in a clinical setting. Fluconazole, Diflucan, contraindications. Before starting fluconazole, Diflucan, it's essential to let your healthcare provider know about your full medical history and all medications you take. Certain conditions and drug interactions can make this antifungal unsafe. You should not take fluconazole, Diflucan, if any of the following apply to you. You're taking medications known to prolong the QT interval, which can increase the risk of serious heart rhythm problems. You have a known hypersensitivity or allergic reaction to fluconazole or other azole antifungals. You have a history of severe liver problems or elevated liver enzymes related to antifungal use. You're pregnant or planning to become pregnant, unless specifically directed by your doctor. Always disclose all your prescription drugs, supplements, and herbal products to your healthcare provider to avoid dangerous interactions. Pharmacist tips for taking fluconazole, Diflucan. With or without food, fluconazole can be taken on an empty stomach or with food. However, if you experience nausea or stomach discomfort, taking it with food may help reduce these side effects. Complete the full treatment course. Never stop taking fluconazole, Diflucan, early even if your symptoms improve. Stopping too soon can allow the infection to return or become resistant to treatment. Sexual activity and yeast infections. If you're being treated for a vaginal yeast infection, avoid sexual intercourse until your infection has completely cleared. Engaging in sexual activity too soon can worsen symptoms or spread the infection to your partner. Possible side effects. Although rare, dizziness or seizures can occur, especially in people with a history of neurological issues. Avoid driving or operating machinery if you feel dizzy or unwell. Drug interactions. Fluconazole can interact with several medications including warfarin, Coumadin, increases bleeding risk. Atorvastatin, Lipitor, raises the chance of muscle damage. Amiodarone, can cause dangerous heart rhythm changes. This list isn't complete, so always consult your pharmacist before starting or stopping any medication while taking fluconazole, Diflucan. Monitor your symptoms. If your condition worsens or new symptoms appear, contact your healthcare provider. This could indicate a different type of infection, such as a bacterial or viral illness, that fluconazole cannot treat. Pregnancy precautions. If you can become pregnant, use effective birth control during treatment and for at least 1 week after your last dose. Fluconazole may cause birth defects if taken during pregnancy. Tips for fluconazole, Diflucan, oral suspension. Shake the bottle well before each dose to ensure the medication is evenly mixed. Always use the pharmacy-provided measuring device for accuracy. Avoid household spoons, which can lead to incorrect dosing. Store the suspension at room temperature and note that it's only good for 2 weeks after being dispensed. Discard any leftover medication after this period, even if some remains in the bottle. Fluconazole, Diflucan, is a highly effective antifungal treatment when used correctly and under medical supervision. Understanding contraindications, following dosage instructions, and staying aware of possible interactions are key to achieving safe and successful results. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to HeInfo, and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert, science-backed health videos. Have a question about fluconazole, Diflucan, or antifungal treatments? Share it in the comments below, and we'll cover it in a future video.